and after that I added good at making poha. Hi guys, good morning. I'm just done with my study hours, and many of you guys say ki I don't study and all of that, but actually I do study, not that much. I know, but then I do study, and whenever I'm studying, like I don't like to film it because I feel like studying doesn't make a good content, like. So I just focus on my studies. I don't know if that makes sense. I have my study hours now, 1 hour of study hours in the morning, and right now I'm having my pre-workout meal, which is banana. By 6 I'm gonna be reaching the gym. It is already almost 2 months now that I am regularly going to the gym, and also I can see the changes already. I can feel the changes already. By now I'm not forcing myself to go to the gym anymore because I'm loving working out now. I don't know why, but I have fallen in love with gymming now, and this for the first time in my life. Okay, I've never lost it in a gym for maximum 5 days. This is my outfit of the gym today. Ta-da! This is my outfit of the gym today, and can you guys see some progress on my body? Like I can already feel that, and also my friends said that they can also see the progress. And yes, I have been working for like almost 2 months now, so progress is bound to occur. Just look at my body. That hot girl body, hot summer girl body is coming up. I have done my ponytail and already I'm set for the gym. Look at this beautiful earring that I'm wearing. Just look at this earring. This is my gym earring because I don't want to wear something very big. I don't want to wear something very visible, but this is small and very cute. The design is so cute. Let's go to the gym. Breakfast today, I'm gonna be making poha. You know what, the poha that I made in my last to last vlog, I know that was so tasteless, and one of you viewers, someone shared me a poha ka recipe in the comment section, which I took seriously, and after that I tried on the recipe, and you know what, it turned out so good. So I'm gonna be making it now so that you guys also get idea about the poha. Now actually my poha tastes like poha. Thank you for giving me the recipe. Nowadays I use olive oil for cooking, though it's expensive but worth it. For the poha's veggies, we are gonna be having this carrot and beans. Before everything else, first of all I added some peanut and fried it for like 1 to 2 minutes. Then after that I added this veggies, carrot and beans, and after some time I also added this tomato and fried it for some time. Then salt, then this turmeric. You guys told me to add turmeric because I don't use any kind of masalas. Fried it for some times, and here is my poha. I'm so glad that I don't use preservative pohas, and it's all because of you guys suggesting me to do that. After some times frying this poha, just look at the color of this poha. Now my poha is actually poha, and at the end I added some corianders and also this lemon to enhance the taste, and mix it for some time, and here it is. Now I'm so good at making poha. My poha game got way much stronger. I hope you guys also try this recipe. Yeah, I'm gonna be having my breakfast now. Camera off. On Saturday, that is 2 days ago, I went to Sarojini Nagar market, which is one of the most famous market in Delhi and all over in India. And people watching this from outside of India, if you don't know what Sarojini Nagar market is, then you know what, it is a huge market in Delhi where one can go for trip shopping. There are so many collection of clothes and also other items in a very discounted price, and there is bargaining going on everywhere, every corner of Sarojini. And I also got some clothes for summer from Sarojini Nagar market, which I'm gonna be showing you guys now. First of all, the one that I'm wearing, this brown kemi top, I got it from Sarojini last Saturday. So this is actually very good, and brown color suits me somehow, so I prefer brown color. And this kemi top is a padded, so you don't even need to wear a bra. And the bag is really beautiful. Like, it's not even a simple kemi top. Okay, the bag is carved in this way. I'm gonna show you. Look at this. Look at this. I got this top for 150 rupees. And you know what? Considering that I don't bargain much nowadays, at least nowadays, because I don't prefer to bargain from them. Outside of the shop number 106, there was a uncle like calling everyone ki branded clothes le lo, chori kamal hai. And I went to that corner and I was, you know what, very much shocked to see his collection, because all the clothes that he was selling was all branded and tags were available in the clothes, and he was like, it is 150 for anyone that you pick up. The collection was so good but not in my size, so I ended up taking two from him for 150 rupees each. This is one dress from the one outside of 106. Just look at this. I like the designs. I don't know if the camera can focus it, but I like the designs on this, because this is like, in 90s there used to be this kind of design, and I'm an old school girl. I also got this cargo pants, which is also white color. I was searching for cargos like this from H&M and everywhere, but no, I didn't get it. But I didn't get it, and I got it from Sarojini for 300 rupees. Oh my god, I'm gonna be showing you one of my favorite purchases from last Saturday. Is this corset, which is so cute, like so cute. Just look at the color of this corset and also the designs. This corset was for 200 rupees. This is so pretty. This is one of my favorite purchases, you know, like I'm never gonna be selling this even in my thrift page. Got one more dress from the stall that I was talking about outside of 106. I got one more dress. This is very colorful, like gulabi vibe. Look at this. Yeah, this is very summery vibe and very colorful. Perfect one for the summer. The fitting is so good, but the quality is very thin. Even the tag was available. I have removed the tag because I have washed the clothes already. So this was also for 150 rupees, which is so pretty. This is also one of my favorite purchases. Okay, last time I was very happy with what all I got from Sarojini, and as I have many clothes already, which I did not even remove the tag yet from Urbanic and from everywhere, so it wasn't needed for me to shop for more clothes. But then, you know, I've been selling my clothes in my thrift page, so I wanted some more clothes for my own. And when someone asks me if you want to go to Sarojini Nagar, then it is very rare to say no to that person. Okay. Also, I got one from the Gufa shop in Sarojini, which is, I think, shop number 10198, something like that, where you get all the H&M tops. Also, I went there to buy actually the H&M tops because I needed it for the gym. This is one I got from the Gufa shop, which is a dangri, white dangri. Just look at the designs. Like, I got it for 250 rupees. Like, whoa. So this is dangri. There is a half pen partition here. Can't wait to wear them. The hands are full, and also the quality of this cloth is very good, like cotton type. And I also got this one. I know many of you guys might not like it, but I like this kind of shirt, like check shirt, jig shirt, check shirt, whatever, because it is summer now in Delhi, so it is very needed to cover because of the heat in Delhi. So I got this one. It is very lightweighted. It was for 100 rupees. The quality is so good. Lastly, I got this H&M top. There are so many of this H&M top in the Gufa, so 10198 or something the shop number is. This is the top that I got. It is from H&M. If you purchase it from H&M, actually it won't be less than 800, and it will be from 800 to 1500 rupees, but in Sarojini you get it for 200 rupees, and this is original H&M, though the tag is cut off. So guys, that's it I got from Sarojini last time. I actually wanted to get a lot more stuff, but I reminded myself to save money and not purchase unnecessary things. So yeah, I hope you guys liked what all I got from Sarojini, and even I'm so happy with it. I can't wait to wear them and go out. Yeah. Chalo. Snowball and me are going out for a evening walk. It is already 6 p.m. and just look at the sunset. Bolu's new collar. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Good boy, ball. Hello. Ball's new collar. We are going for evening walk, okay? Get in. Anya, Anya. Where are you running away? Get in, chalo. Good boy. Snowball is a good boy. Good boy. Chalo, good boy. Let's go. And this is my outfit. Dangri from H&M, and this is from Sarojini. Wow.
बोर्डिंग है ना इसको ट्रैफिक होता है
So we have reached the airport. Snowball on the floor. Yo, yo. How are you? Bye, bye.
Jack, look here. Jack, oh. Ball.
Ball is going towards the lake side.
Hello.
स्नोबॉल को वॉक करने आया तो शिकार करने को कोशिश कर स्नोबॉल यो 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 यो
Handshake.
Now we are going back and we are going to basics to have something because we are
Hungry.
very hungry plus thirsty.
कौन सा फ्लेवर है? ये है टूना बोनीटो.
Anya ball. Unhealthy girl. And healthy girl.
All your friends will see it too, that I'm the one who looks you in the eye, speaking like I mean it, what's inside.
I'm back home and it is late at night already, like 11 p.m. and now I'm done with my skincare. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in my next vlog. Thank you. Bye.